Go, Jeremy.
Go flip, Jeremy. Good. There you go. Yes. Good job, you.
All right. Wow.
Look at you, Rue. Look how high you are.
Push. You're gonna touch the clouds.
Wow. Good job.
Wow.
Hey, I'm sure you can't do a flip, but I can.
You want to try a backflip?
No.
Good one.
Wanna jump?
You do some big jumps. That's fine. You having fun?
Push.
She's ready to try that thing on the wall now.
You gotta
You
push
get to go lots of times down there.
Yeah. Push again, really hard.
Come on, Jeremy, jump.
Get all the way
there you
down
go.
like that
was a
and
good
jump
one.
hard.
That was a good one.
There you go. Whee!
Wow. You can get higher than him. Push really hard. Push. Yeah.
We go to the mall more often.